Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed, as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a 2016 Martin T45 planer. This machine was purchased in March of 2017. Many would consider this to be the best single-sided planer ever made currently. This machine does have a 24-inch width capacity, over an 11-inch thickness capacity. It does feature the optional 10 horsepower motor. That does also have a safety brake and the infinite feed speeds. There's your opening for your Tersa knives. It does feature a Tersa cutter head. You do get a full set of manuals as well. It does have the wax lit system. There's an overhead view of that Tersa head. Rubber in-feed rolls. There are no bed rolls on this machine, which most people want. It also does feature a 24 by 47 inch outfeed table. There is, of course, a central lube pump on the rear of this machine. If you hold the stop button in for 5 seconds, you're going to come out with an absolute clock. This machine only has 80 hours on it. There's the relative operating time. That can be reset. The absolute cannot. We're going to hit 6 inches, hit start. Of course, it is going to open to 6 inches, plus or minus 0.02 of an inch accuracy. Now you do have fast and slow jog. I should say fast open, fast close. We're going to pretty much open it up all of the way. We're going to close it to about 1 inch. And then you're going to notice there are 2 arrows to the right of these up and down arrows that we just used. The lower right arrow is a slower jog close, while the upper right arrow is a slow jog. When I mean slow jog, you could jog literally a third, fourth of a thousandth at a time. So if you saw me click and it didn't work, it's because it's actually less than what the reading is. We're gonna hit start. Low feed speed, feeds on. We're gonna turn it to 50 feet per minute. Finally, 80 feet per minute. We're gonna hit the emergency stop. The brake is gonna engage. It does have a countdown for stopping. Now it shows an error, and that is because the emergency stop is in. We pull it out, and it's reset. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.